you're going to need a tray with the primary colors, which are red, yellow, blue, and then you'll also want white and black. You'll want a cup of water, a scrap piece of paper like a magazine paper to mix colors on, paper towel, and a nice small brush. So you're gonna start by filling in the base colors, and as you're going, you can add white to make a tint or black to make a shade. So you'll notice as I'm filling in the color wheel, each little pie slice has a tint of the color towards the middle, and then just the actual color, and then the shade of the color in the outside ring. So you're going to use your primaries red and yellow to make orange, yellow and blue to make green, and red and blue to make purple. Next, you're going to try and mix some skin tones, which can be challenging. You're going to mix all three of the primary colors together, and you might need to make some adjustments as you go. When you're mixing skin tones, it's helpful to remember the complementary colors. So as you're mixing them together, if you end up getting kind of a greenish color, you'd want to neutralize it by adding its opposite or the complementary. So the opposite on the color wheel of green would be red. Just a quick note that you really want to use the primary colors to try and mix your skin tone and avoid adding black to it because that can make it look gray. And for the last part, just kind of freely explore color mixing. Try to mix 5 colors that look like they would be yummy colors and 5 that would look icky.